Hi, my name's Cheryl McLaughlin, and I'm the owner and founder of Fuzion Gel. Today we're going to take a look at what's included in our new Let's Get Started kit, a perfect way for you to sample some of what Fuzion has to offer. So let's take a look at what's in the Let's Get Started kit. So let's take a look at what's in our brand new Let's Get Started kit from Fuzion. This kit is a great representation of what is in the majority of our main line and gives you a little tiny bit of our colors, paints, and sparkles to try as well. So let's just start with the most important thing in my mind, Fuzion Cleanser. Cleanser is key when you're working with any kind of a gel product. You need to use a proper gel cleanser. These cleansers are designed to remove the sticky inhibition layer and also to make sure that you don't develop allergies. I hear techs all the time talking about how they just use alcohol and it's totally fine until they start to break out. These are designed to neutralize the allergen in the sticky dispersion layer, and I'm always going to 100% recommend you use cleanser for cleaning your brushes, cleaning your surfaces, cleaning your hands if you get gel on them. Anything that you get gel on, cleanser is your go-to. The Fuzion kit also comes with 2 of our bonders, Gription, which is our UV LED Cure Bonder, 30 seconds in LED and 120 in UV, and then Cohesion, which is our air dry bonder. Gription is designed to work with our more flexible gels and Cohesion with our more rigid gels. Most of our gels in the Fuzion line are more flexible. The more rigid ones are 2.5 and Repairs, which is not included in this kit. So if you want to try 2.5 and Cohesion on a problem child client, or if you're converting somebody out of acrylic, that's a really great troubleshooter for that as well. In this kit, you're also going to get both of our base gels, Pink Base and Clear Base. These are both exactly the same gel, just the pink obviously has the pink tone. It gives you a beautiful pink tone when you're doing a French, and honestly, it's just personal preference which one you prefer. Now, we have a lot of people asking us, do you have to use base gel in the Fuzion line? And the answer is no. But if you're somebody who's new to Fuzion or you've never used our product, you're moving your clients into it, I always recommend it's like a little bit of extra insurance to put a nice coat of base gel onto that application. You're also going to get Sculpture. Sculpture is a thicker viscosity building gel that is designed for extensions, or if you have a super concave nail that you need to fill in. It does, if you apply it really thick, it does have a little bit of a heat spike. So we really just recommend it for sculpting out and extensions if you like a clear gel for that. Then we have SL White, which is of course our self-leveling white, Nude, which is our natural looking extension gel, and Ivory and Blush. Now this is part of our baby boomer duo that was inspired by one of our educators, Ivory Clark, and it has been a huge hit. So if you want to learn how to do baby boomers, there's another video on our channel about the Ivory and the Blush, and they do come in this kit as well. You could also use Ivory for a nice soft French, a nice white extension, and Blush is just a nice pink builder gel as well. So together, however, they do make the ultimate little baby boomer. Then we have SL Clear and 5. Again, these are our more flexible resins. SL Clear, the self-leveling option, and 5. If you look at our Try Me video in our Try Me kit series, I actually do a little demo of the difference between what SL Clear and 5 look like when they apply, and you'll be able to see. I think SL Clear is more designed for the technician that likes to apply 1 to 2 nails at a time, that's maybe doing encapsulation, so they're looking for a thinner gel. And 5 is exactly that. It's designed to do 4 to 5 nails at once, and it holds its shape. So it's the same type of product, a beautiful flexible resin, but it is a bit of a different application. And that's what I love about this kit, is you get to stick your brush in and try everything in our beautiful small sizes before you invest in the larger sizes. Then we've got 5 Undercover, which is exactly this viscosity, but with a beautiful pink tone. That's actually what I'm wearing on my nails, is 5 Undercover. And I honestly, a lot of our educators and myself included, we build our nails in 5. It's almost like putting primer down as well. Any of your color gels that you want to put on top, they just go on so much more flawlessly when you've got a bit of a base underneath. That's 5 Undercover, and then 2.5. So let's talk about this for a second. I put this in this kit because sometimes your client requires less flexibility. I don't find it happens very often, but sometimes it does. And when your client is, let's say, coming from a more rigid acrylic where maybe you can't file that acrylic off, but you want to grow it off, you can absolutely put in your Cohesion 2.5, and that is a great combo for someone who does better with a more rigid application. And how would you know that? A lot of times if clients come to you and they're like, I've had gel 100 times and it never sticks on me, I break it, but I have acrylic and it lasts great, but I don't love the smell, or for whatever reason they've decided they prefer to have gel. This is kind of like doing an acrylic nail in gel. So if you want to give that a try on those clients, it works great. So again, this is our least flexible gel in this kit. And then Extreme Shine is our most popular top coat in our Fusion lamp. It's a 60-second cure in LED and 120 in UV. So I do recommend that you really test your shine coats to make sure that your lamp has the ultimate sweet spot for cure time. Just try maybe 45 seconds, try 60, try 175 when you first get a new top coat in, and just really see where your lamp's at. With the new UV LED lamps, the UV obviously runs out a lot faster than the LED. So once a month, or even every time you change jars, no matter what top coat you're using, it's a great idea just to do a little bit of lamp test to make sure that you're getting a good cure. Then also in this kit, which is exciting, we've given you one of our colors, and again, these will be assorted. So when you see these kits in your distributor, unfortunately, there's no specific color sparkle or paints in here. For this particular kit, we have Gray, Bright Future, and Black 101, but you will see that it will be just an assorted one, and we've done these dots on this one, but they do come with just the white dot, which is designed so that you can put the color on top, and when you open your drawer, you can see what it is rather than just all these little lovely black jars. So you'll get one color, one sparkle, one paints, and you'll also get our beautiful clear Fusion number 6 brush. I love this brush. Obviously, it's like my favorite because we have it in 3 different kinds. So we have this brush in clear gems, in black and clear gems, and just black. And the reason for that is I am terrible for putting my clear gel brush into sparkle. It has been something I have wasted more brushes. And so when we developed these brushes, I was like, we have to have a way to make this favorite brush, which I know I'm gonna use for everything, be very distinct and not just look like all the same. So if you're liking this idea, again, these come in a 3-pack, but in this kit, you're gonna get the one so you can try it and see if this is, like me, your favorite gel brush. Now, the other thing that's in here that's kind of peeky hiding is 25 of our Fusion forms. So again, it really is a great kit to just get you started, trying a little bit of everything from Fusion, and our forms have been incredibly popular. If you haven't tried them, I recommend that you certainly do. They are a very good quality paper. We've gone with a very good manufacturer that has been really consistent, which is something that's very important to me at Fusion, is consistency. It's something every manufacturer struggles with, and me included. And I work very hard to make sure that all of our products are the same when you open jar 1 in January, when you buy another jar in March or April, that it looks the same. So Fusion forms are awesome. They've got all the markers on them. They've also got the safety cuts. And if you are interested in learning more about how to do these safety cuts and these new beautiful Look of Fusion nails, definitely check out Chrissy Pierce's New Look of Fusion class on our Fusion Academy portal. So that is everything that is in our new Let's Get Started kit. I hope this video was helpful. And if you have any questions, please join our Facebook support and share, or email us anytime. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.